Hello, hello, hello. Welcome in. Hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. And welcome back to all my long-time existing subscribers too. And anybody who just happens to be watching at any time. Just to check me out. And I hope you do think about subscribing. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of not only my videos but when I go live too, which is usually on a Wednesday. So we're here today for March's sock giveaway, sock yarn giveaway, and for March I have Style Crafts Head Over Heels Walking in Nature sock yarn. It is Promenade. It's blue, all different shades of blues with creams, and that's how it knits up. There's a nice little pattern there to show you how it knits up. This is a 75% superwash wool, 25% polyamide, 396 meters, which is 433 yards, which will definitely make you a nice pair of socks. So along with that, you get some light bulb stitch markers in a little container. I love these containers. I've got these containers in all of my project bags, and I've got about 10 of them. So you know me and my whips. So yeah, so that's that. And you also get Knit Pro Zing 2.5 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter, 25 centimeter, which is a 9-inch circular Zing needle. So what word do you have to put? Well, I think the word, because this is walking in nature, let's have the word nature. Nature. The rules and regulations are in the description box below. You need to be subscribed to my channel, need to be 18 years and over. I will post worldwide, but I'm not responsible for the taxes at your end or customs at your end. This is purchased by myself. YouTube are no way associated with this giveaway, and it goes live today, which will be the 13th of March. And it closes on the it goes for a week, so I'll close this on the 21st of March, and the winner will be announced on the 24th of March, guys. Okay, so we'll announce the winner on the 24th of March. So everything, all the information will be in the description box below. So good luck, everybody. Don't forget the word is nature, and take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.